Hi guys, this is Jerry with yet another video. In this video, I'll show you how to actually block websites from sending you notifications. So nowadays, websites can actually send you notifications for their latest content. So in this case, you might have already visited some random websites and you got this pop-up and you clicked OK. You might be getting lots of notifications from these sites. So you have no idea how to block them, right? So in this video, I'll show you how to block websites from sending you notifications on Microsoft Edge and Firefox and Opera. And on Chrome, I have created a separate video. So first thing first you need to do is just go to Edge, then go to Settings, and this is where you manage the settings of this particular browser. Then go to Cookies and Permissions, and this is where you let websites access on your camera, microphone, etc. So here you can see this notifications. This is where you control it. So click that. You can actually block any websites from asking you for this permission. So what you need to do is just ask before sending recommended. Just disable it. Then sites will not ask you for this permission anymore. Okay, what if you want to let some websites send you notification? In that case, you can actually visit that website. For example, here YouTube. In this case, if you want to let YouTube send you notifications, what you can do is just click this button here and you can see notification settings here on Edge, and it's by default it's blocked. You can just allow that particular site send you notifications. So that's how it works. So if you don't want to allow, just keep it blocked. That's it. So you can actually change the default settings here. If you somehow by mistake, if you have let any websites to send you notifications, you can actually remove it from here. So just click these three dots and you can remove them from there. So that's how it actually works. That's how you actually disable this feature on Microsoft Edge. When it comes to Firefox, what you needed to do is just go to this option here, options, and go to privacy and security. Just scroll all the way down, and here you should see notifications. This is where you enable and disable notifications options for websites. And here there is another option here, post notifications until Firefox restarts. In case if you have let some websites send you notifications, you can actually post that temporarily until the restart. Okay, so you can do that here. So, and there is this settings option. This is where you see all the websites that you have enabled and disabled notifications. So in this case, if you want to block any websites from sending you notification or even for asking, you can just block this. You can check this checkbox here, and you should see other websites that you have allowed or blocked here. You can just if you have by mistake allowed some websites to send you notifications, you can actually block them or remove all the sites from here. Just check this box and save changes, and from now on no websites will ask you for this permission. That's how it actually works on Firefox. Okay, so when it comes to Opera, just go to at the top left corner, you should see this option here. Just click its icon and go to settings, and here you should see something called advanced settings, and you can just scroll all the way down, and here you can see this site settings. This is where you control site settings. Okay, and except Firefox, Opera and actually Edge, both you actually use Chromium engine, so its features and systems almost like Chrome. So here you can see that in here you can see this notifications options here, and here you can actually disable or enable notifications. So like here, sites can ask to send you notifications. So if you don't want any sites to ask to send you notifications, you can just disable it, just like on Chrome and on Edge. That's how it actually works. And if you have blocked some sites from sending you notifications, but you actually want notifications, you should see all the blocked sites here. Okay, then, and if you have allowed some websites send you notifications, you should see the sites in here, allowed list here. You can actually disable or enable from here. Just click that particular site and you can actually go to the notification area here. It's been blocked, and you can actually let that site send you notifications. So that's how it actually works on Opera. So I hope this helps. Guys, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.